In the rapidly evolving landscape of cybersecurity, VAST, or Visual, Agile, and Simple Threat Management, has emerged as a cutting-edge methodology. It is gaining momentum across large and small organizations and aims to revolutionize how organizations identify, assess, and respond to cyber threats. In this comprehensive video, you will delve deeper into VAST, exploring its fundamental principles, its wide array of benefits, and practical real-world examples to illustrate its effectiveness. VAST's foundation rests upon three fundamental principles that collectively enhance cybersecurity. These are visualizing threats, agile response to threats, and simplified management. Let's examine these and their benefits. First, the VAST methodology introduces a visual dimension to cybersecurity. Through user-friendly dashboards and graphical representations, it can simplify the often daunting task of threat identification. The benefit of this visual approach is that it facilitates swifter detection and incident response, providing a real-time view of network and system vulnerabilities. Using the VAST approach and appropriate tools like Microsoft Sentinel to implement it enables organizations to expedite identifying and responding to threats. Ultimately, this helps mitigate potential damage. As an example, this Microsoft Sentinel dashboard screenshot shows a world map indicating security events across regions in the past week. The dashboard also displays metrics like total events, alerts, and incidents. It provides an at-a-glance view of an organization's security status, aiding in trend tracking and control assessment. Second, the ever-evolving nature of cyber threats demands agility in response. Following the VAST methodology empowers security teams to adapt their strategies and tactics swiftly to combat emerging threats. By doing so, organizations can stay one step ahead of adversaries, minimizing potential damage. For example, this is a screenshot of the incidents page of the Microsoft Sentinel portal. It highlights initial access incident involving one user, and it has been assigned a high severity level. The VAST approach, facilitated by tools like Microsoft Sentinel, helps organizations bolster their overall security posture. It aids in identifying and remedying vulnerabilities, ensuring a proactive approach to cybersecurity. Third, a VAST approach simplifies management by promoting the automation of routine tasks and a centralized view of security data. The benefit of this simplified management is streamlined operations that free security teams to concentrate on more strategic and mission-critical tasks. The VAST approach can deliver cost savings by enhancing operational efficiency. Again, Microsoft Sentinel can aid in these tasks. This is a screenshot of the automation page of the Microsoft Sentinel portal. It shows enabled playbooks and rules, as well as other features for managing and monitoring security tasks. These are the fundamental principles and some of the benefits of VAST. But what about its implementation? As you might have been able to tell from preceding examples, one way to implement it is by deploying Microsoft Sentinel. If you've gone through the earlier courses in this program, you should already be familiar with Microsoft Sentinel. It's an ideal partner for the VAST methodology because it excels at collecting and analyzing the data the VAST approach relies on to identify cyber threats. Together, they form a powerful team that ensures safety in the digital world. Let's examine some example scenarios demonstrating how VAST implementation can enhance cybersecurity, particularly when paired with Microsoft Sentinel. Imagine an organization deploys Microsoft Sentinel to monitor network traffic. One evening, the Sentinel dashboard detects an unusual spike in traffic during non-business hours. The security team promptly investigates and identifies a malicious actor attempting unauthorized access. In the context of Microsoft Sentinel, the correct response would involve swiftly blocking the attacker's IP address. Microsoft Sentinel can also assist in identifying any other potential compromised systems. This rapid and precise response prevents further intrusion and damage, showcasing Microsoft Sentinel's efficiency in real-world situations. Another example is an organization that integrates its patch management system with Microsoft Sentinel for automated patch management. This integration enables Microsoft Sentinel to continuously monitor for vulnerabilities and promptly alert for patches when they are available. The benefit of this proactive approach is that it minimizes the window of opportunity for attackers to exploit vulnerabilities. It also reduces the workload on the security team, ensuring that critical systems remain up to date and secure. Let's move on to another scenario. During a workday, Microsoft Sentinel detects unusual file activity on several employee computers. These files exhibit characteristics of malware. The appropriate response using Microsoft Sentinel is to quarantine the suspicious files on affected devices immediately and trigger alerts to the security team. The team swiftly investigate, isolate the compromised devices, and commence malware removal, thereby adhering to Microsoft Sentinel's Agile supervision. These examples demonstrate that cybersecurity teams that follow the VAST approach when using tools like Microsoft Sentinel can handle threats more efficiently and effectively. In conclusion, VAST stands as a powerful and dynamic cybersecurity methodology. It equips organizations with the tools needed to enhance their security posture and reduce the risk of cyber attacks. VAST is especially well suited for organizations seeking to fortify their threat detection and response capabilities, optimize resource allocation, and achieve cost efficiency in cybersecurity operations. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, VAST provides a critical advantage in the ongoing battle against cyber threats, ensuring organizations remain resilient and secure in the face of ever-changing challenges.